Hello students, today we are going to discuss Calvin cycle. This is a cyclic process in which sugar is synthesized. This process is divided into three reactions. This is first carboxylation, second reduction, and third is regeneration. Now we will discuss all three stages one by one. First, carboxylation is the fixation of CO2 into stable organic intermediate. Here CO2 plus H2O are taken as an input for the carboxylation process. Now we will discuss carboxylation. CO2 is utilized for the carboxylation of RUBP, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. Its short form is RUBP, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, combined with CO2 plus H2O, and carboxylation process is carried out in which the end product is 3-phosphoglycerate 3-PGA. 3-phosphoglycerate is the product. The reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme RUBP carboxylase. The name of enzyme is RUBP carboxylase. And catalyst means the substance which does not take part into reaction but increase the rate of reaction is called catalyst. The enzyme used for catalyzation of process is RUBP carboxylase, and the product is 3-phosphoglycerate 3-PGA. Since this enzyme has oxygenation activity, it would be more correct to call RUBP carboxylase oxygenase. Its other name is RUBP carboxylase oxygenase or Rubisco. The name of catalyst is RUBP carboxylase or RUBP carboxylase oxygenase or Rubisco. In second stage, reduction. You know, reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Here, hydrogen gets added to reduce this reaction. Now, we will discuss reduction reaction. These are the series of reactions that lead to the formation of glucose. The steps involve utilization of two molecules of ATP for phosphorylation. In previous lectures, we have discussed phosphorylation reaction, cyclic and non-cyclic. Means ADP plus inorganic phosphate gives product of ATP. That reaction is called phosphorylation. So, these steps involve two molecules of ATP for phosphorylation, 2 of NADPH for reduction of CO2 molecule. The fixation of 6 molecules of CO2 and 6 turns of cycle are required for the formation of 1 molecule of glucose from the pathway. How many carbon molecules are there in glucose? C6H12O6. So, this reaction gets repeated 6 times. Okay. The reaction includes 2 molecules of ATP for phosphorylation, 2 of NADPH for reduction per CO2 molecule, and the fixation of 6 molecules of CO2 requires 6 turns of the cycle. Okay. And next is third reaction, regeneration. Regeneration of the CO2 acceptor molecule RUBP is crucial if the cycle is to continue uninterrupted. सायकल सतत अनइंटरप्टेडली चालू राहावं असं वाटत असेल तर काय कशाची गरज आहे CO2 ची. The regeneration steps require 1 ATP for phosphorylation from RUBP. Here regeneration step, ATP gets converted into ADP. Hence, for every CO2 molecule entering the Calvin cycle, 3 molecules of ATP and 2 NADPH are required. How 3 molecules of ATP? Here 2 molecules of ATP, 2 molecules of NADPH, and here 1 molecule of ATP. So 2 plus 1, 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH are required to complete Calvin cycle. It is probably to meet the difference in number of ATP and NADPH used in the dark reaction that the cyclic phosphorylation takes place. You have seen the difference between light reaction and dark reaction in previous lecture. Light reaction is carried out in presence of light and dark reaction is carried out using the products formed in the light reaction. That reaction is not carried out in the dark, but the product it is taking are products of light reaction. So just show the difference between two reactions. That reaction is called dark reaction. So Calvin cycle includes 3 reactions: carboxylation, second is reduction, third is regeneration. Carboxylation reaction takes ribulose 1,5-bis phosphate plus CO2 plus H2O gives product of 3-phosphoglycerate, 3 PGA. 3 PGA and the catalyst used is RUBP or Rubisco. In reduction reaction, 2 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH are required to reduce CO2 molecule, and this reaction repeats 6 times to create molecule of glucose. And regeneration reaction is required for uninterrupted supply of CO2. Okay, the catalyst used is RUBP carboxylase or RUBP carboxylase oxygenase, Rubisco. Okay, just remember this diagram and 3 steps: carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. This is all about Calvin cycle. So keep studying, keep watching and more practicing. Thank you.